Good day, everyone. Welcome to Almujahb Tech Cybersecurity. If you are a beginner in cybersecurity, grab your notebook and your pen. Almujahb Tech is going to let you know what cybersecurity is, from beginners to advanced, and the reasons why you need cybersecurity. Let's look at it from this angle. You own a building, and in that building you have yourself, your wife, and your children. You have your appliances, your TV, your refrigerator, your furnitures, your generator, and so on. You have them in that building. Now you are trying to protect all this from unauthorized persons to gain access into your building. Let me ask these questions. If he owns all this inside your building, how are you going to protect it from unauthorized persons to gain access into it? The first thing that will came to your mind is to fence the building and gated it so that unauthorized persons will not gain access into it. Secondly, you will need an electric wire on the fence that was gated. If eventually a theft or unauthorized persons is trying to penetrate into your building through jumping the fence, the electric wire will prevent the theft or the unauthorized persons from jumping. You can as well hire a guard to protect the building and what you have inside the building. And as well, you can get a pistol if eventually, after putting all this in place, an unauthorized persons or a theft still look for a way to penetrate into your building, then you can gun him down with your pistol. Now let's apply this to cybersecurity. Cybersecurity is about protecting the digital things we use every day. That includes our phones, our computers, our websites, our applications, our networks, online accounts, and personal information. All these are digital things that we use every day. Imagine you have your phone, you have your computers, and you have websites and applications. We do so many things on our digital things, such as WhatsApping, Gmail accounts, Facebook and Instagram, online banking. We have business websites, we have company database, we have government systems, we have school systems, we have customer information that we are to protect, and we have personal photographs and documents. There are some documents that we need to protect from unauthorized persons. These are things cybersecurity is trying to protect from unauthorized persons Just like your building, you want to protect your building and what you have inside your building. Same thing is applicable to cybersecurity. You want to protect digital things such as phone, computers, websites, applications, network, online banking, and personal information. You want to protect all this. Just like the example I gave earlier, you want to protect your building from thefts or unauthorized persons to gain access into your building. You fence, you gated, you apply electric wire, you employ a guard, then you have a pass-through. Same thing is applicable to cybersecurity, where you want to secure your digital things. You look for things to protect all this that we mentioned. You protect your WhatsApp from gaining access by unauthorized persons, and attackers can steal your password. How are you going to protect this password of your WhatsApp, your Gmail, your Facebook, your Instagram, your online banking? How are you going to protect government system? How are we going to protect the system we have in our schools? How are we going to protect customer information? Just like banks, hospitals, they have customers' informations. How are we going to protect them? Then we have our own personal documents that we want to protect from unauthorized persons. This is where cybersecurity comes in. Follow Almujahb Tech, likes and comments for more about cybersecurity. Have a nice day.